In the gospel, if you notice, there was this person who asked Jesus, Lord, will only a few people be saved? The answer should be yes or no, di ba? The question is actually answerable by yes or no. Look at the question. Lord, will only a few people be saved? It's either yes or no. Take note. Jesus did not answer a yes or a no. What was his answer? Strive to enter through the narrow gate. For I tell you, many will attempt to enter, but will not be strong enough. Jesus means, I did not answer you a yes or no, because please do not make it a problem about how many will go to heaven. I want you to focus on yourself. Will you be saved? You ask yourself, will I be saved? Will my words, thoughts, and actions be enough for me to be saved? This is also God's reminder for all of us. Huwag niyong problemahin kung ilan ang makakapunta sa langit. It's not our concern. Problemahin mo yung sarili mo. Makakapunta ka ba sa langit? Yun yung concern ni Lord. Kaya He did not answer yes or no to the question. Kasi di natin yan problema eh. Problema ng Diyos yan. Yung problema natin, sarili natin. Makakapunta ba tayo sa langit? Tingnan natin mga words and actions natin. Are they good enough? Are they sufficient enough for us to go to heaven? Okay? Now, do you want another proof? Look at the second paragraph, the last paragraph of the gospel. The master locked the door, and those who were outside will say, Lord, open the door for us. Please open the door for us. And he will say in reply, I do not know where you are from. And we will say, we ate and drank in your company. Hala, sounds familiar. Listen. Di pinapasok ni Jesus yung nasa labas. And they reasoned out, Lord, barkada tayo, di ba? We ate together, we drank together. It reminds us of the Mass. It is as if we are also telling the Lord, Lord, I go to Mass every day. Lord, I say Mass, I am a priest. I celebrate Mass every day. Please let me go to heaven. But what did the Master say? Depart from me, you evildoers. Hala. It means our being members of the Christian church does not guarantee our salvation. Hindi porke araw-araw tayong nagsisimba, hindi porke araw-araw akong nagmimisa, makakapunta na ako sa langit. Again, the same message. Hindi sapat na every day we go to Mass. Every day I say Mass. God, again, like what He said on the first part, God wants us to focus on, are we living out our being Christians? It's not a guarantee that we go to church every day and I say Mass every day. Pwede akong sabihan ni Jesus, ikaw Father Dax, palagi ka ngang nagmimisa araw-araw, pero ang bastos mo, paano kita dadalhin sa langit? Hindi guarantee, Father Dax. Hindi porket araw-araw ka nagmimisa, makakapunta ka na sa langit, no? God can also tell you, you always go to church, but you are cruel to your helpers. You treat them like animals. You are merciless to your helpers. God can also tell that. So it's not a guarantee na we always go to church, we can go to heaven. God will not open the door because God wants us to focus on our behaviors, our attitudes, our actions. So I hope, brothers and sisters, including myself, let us do our best to focus on our attitudes, behaviors, our words, our thoughts, our actions, and let us do our best to live out. Live out, that's important. Hindi lang simba, kundi actualize, concretize, live out our being Christians.